Waste management is a huge problem for urban India. Currently, our cities generate close to 23,448 metric tons of waste every day, and over 90% of what the municipality collects is sent to landfills. Now, out of this, typically 50% of the waste generated is compostable. And around 15 to 20% is recyclable. The main reason for municipality not being able to reduce the waste dumped at landfills is the lack of waste segregation at the source, making it difficult to process or recycle the waste, and lack of efforts towards facilitation of services and systems working towards waste reduction. The total number of waste pickers in Maharashtra is around 3 lakh. And only 20% of the waste pickers are integrated. India showcased its increased plastic recycling percentage of 13% as against the global average of 9%. But do you know, actual untraced overall recycling percentage for India can be more than 40%. So there lies this amazing shadow supply chain wherein people are incentivized to collect and segregate the waste. The only problem is that these people are not integrated in the formal sector of waste management, which leads to issues like unhealthy working conditions, waste flow leakages, waste burning, or dumping of waste near natural resources. An initiative or step towards formalization of the informal sector can have multidimensional positive impact, delivering towards sustainable development goals. A. Formalized work opportunities and percolating social welfare schemes directly reflecting SDG 1 No Poverty, SDG 2 Zero Hunger, SDG 3 Good Health and Well-being, and SDG 8 Decent Work and Economic Growth. B. Structuring and facilitation of self-help groups and/or cooperatives supporting the SDG 16, that is, peace, justice, and strong institutions. C. Waste getting diverted away from the landfill because of the work of these SHGs directly reflecting the SDG 13, that is climate action. This initiative is very well structured under the compliance for the urban local bodies towards integration of National Urban Livelihood Mission and Swachh Bharat Mission. We can refer to the model worked out in Ambikapur, Pune, Bangalore and Indore, where the waste pickers were identified and given ID cards with defined jobs and duties for waste collection, sorting for waste processing units, etc. In the case of Ambikapur and Indore, where the government itself played the role of implementer, and case of Pune and Bangalore, where government played the role of facilitator. It is important to understand each of the models and the context of individual city to further understand the replicability and scalability of the model. Implementation of such initiatives needs strong administration and out-of-the-box thinking to overcome the challenges. Formalization of the informal sector can be undertaken with the help of facilitator agencies in simple yet effective steps in a structured way to create a sustainable model, provide dignity of work, and generate source of livelihood for the marginalized class of citizens.
मैं इधर कचरा डिपो में काम करती हूँ। पहला इधर बहुत गंदगी थी, ये सब बनावाना कुछ नहीं सुविधा, कुछ पानी नहीं था, पहले बाथरूम नहीं था, कुछ मिलता नहीं था। अभी सब भरपूर सब सुविधा है पूरा। साहब लोग भी सब हमारा ख्याल भी सब रखते हैं, कुछ कटा लगा बिगा सब हमको पूरा ध्यान देते हैं।
Step 1. Carrying out process of waste picker identification as per the guidelines provided by NULM as well as under SBM. Step 2. Issuance of ID cards on verification of all documents or after supporting for updating or generating legal documents. Step 3. Undertaking a willingness survey to understand the skills and limitations to design the opportunities. Step 4. Assurance of sustainable financial income by forming self-help groups. Step 5. Providing health facilities and benefits of other social welfare schemes and provision of protective equipment for waste collection. Step 6. incorporating necessary changes in the system to promote working with SHGs in specific areas. Step 7. Identifying skills of the community and acting as a facilitator for connecting registered SHGs with other opportunities available in the city. To carry out this process and integration of waste pickers in entirety, the potential funding sources can be 1. Through SBM 2.0. 2. Utilizing the funds under various programs for NULM. 3. Structuring work allocation and fixating user fees already notified by Government of Maharashtra. 4. In collaboration with private sector, working on EPR and green credits or towards livelihood generation. 5. Partnering with charitable organizations and CSR partners. Formalizing of the informal sector will not only optimize the efficiency and cost of the waste management value chain for the urban local body, but will also reduce the waste going to the landfill while spreading more smiles across the communities and a greener city for a healthier tomorrow.